Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry and algebra. We have a question in here. Suppose that a, b, c are real number. We have this equation. The question asks find the value this function in here. So we have this equation. The first thing we need to do is about multiply with a, b, c in the both sides. Then we have ABC multiplied in each unit inside the bracket, similar with ABC in here. Then later that we will substitute about AB, AC and BC by S, Y, Z. So now we will do about this new equation. We multiply both sides with number 2. And we have 2x power 2, 2y power 2, and 2z power 2. On the right we have 2sy, 2sz, and 2zy. Now we will put 2sy, 2sz, 2zy on the left, and we arrange like this. We can see about identity in here, so we put them in s minus y power 2, s minus z power 2, and y minus z power 2 equal to 0. We know that s minus y power 2 is on greater or equal than 0. So in this situation, to get about the 0 in here, s minus y, s minus z, and y minus z equal to 0. So that we can put s equal to y, s equal to z, and then based on AB, AC, and BC, we can put AB equal to BC and BC equal to AC. And in this situation, we can put A equal to B equal to C. So now in this function in here, we can see that A equal to B equal to C, we can put them into 3 multiply with the fraction 2a power 2, and we have a equal to c, so we have 2a. This one equal to 2a because b and c equal to a, that's why we have 2a again. Now we'll just simplify everything. Six divided by 4, you got about 3/2. A power 2 divide a power 2, they simplify together, and the final answer is about 3/2. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.